Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing a special kind of fillings for our shawarma. Yes, now look how the finishing is going to look like inside. Isn't this yummy, creamy? Now come with me, let me show you the ingredients I used in making this fillings for this shawarma bread. It's one that will surprise you. For these fillings, we're going to be using mini ripe papaya. Yes, that's what we are going to be using for this. We're using papaya, shredded papaya, and here are the other ingredients. We'll be needing plant-based protein. I'll be using 1 cup of mayonnaise, some sugar, half cup of peanut butter, some shredded carrots, and some shredded onions and fresh pepper. And here is our shawarma bread, homemade shawarma bread. Look how it's looking. It's fresh, it's yummy, it is homemade. To begin with, we start by peeling our papaya. Cut off the head. I'll be using just half of this. I will not be needing all of it. Oops, this is quite um, tough. Can you see? It's semi-ripe. I prefer to use this because it's in between unripe and ripe. So it gives me the kind of texture that I really want, not um, just okay for what I needed it. Now remove the seed and then we peel off the green back. If this is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for watching. And now after peeling the papaya, we will rinse it off, and then now we're going to start the main business, and that is shredding of the papaya. Now for this, I'll be needing these 2 points, this bolder one and this tinier point, because I want a mixture of both the tinier slice and this bigger part of the slice, just like this. It kind of balances it. You don't feel it too um, bogus in your mouth. It just tastes, it just balances when you're eating it. Now we're going to shred this until we get the quantity that we need. If you have a better grater than this, please do. This is what I've got at home and I decided to just use it. And when grating, please be mindful of your hand so you don't cut yourself. Now look how it's looking. You see? And like this, I'm done. I'm going to be adding the shredded carrots. I'll set this aside, and then we'll mix the cream and the other ingredient. I'm starting with the mayonnaise first. Empty the mayonnaise into a bowl, followed by the peanut butter. I'm using 1 cup of mayonnaise and half cup of peanut butter. And now let me make this very, very clear. For this papaya recipe, please, unless you are allergic to peanuts, but ensure you add peanuts to this recipe. Men, the deliciousness is banger, is super. I wish I know how to describe it for you. Try it and you will tell me. Now, after adding the peanut butter, I go in with some sugar. You can use a syrup, a simple syrup. And the next thing I added was lemon juice. And then go in with some pepper. This pepper is optional, but I wanted it in my fillings for this shawarma. And now I go in with my plant-based protein. Mix everything together. The next thing we go in with now is our shredded papaya and the shredded carrots. You're going to be mixing this bit by bit. Now go in with some onions. I really love onions in my shawarma mix. Go in with onions as much as you desire. You can add. Continue to mix everything until it's well combined. Please like my video, share and subscribe for more interesting videos to come. Go in with some more shredded papaya and carrots if you still wish to add some more. I added some more because I noticed I still needed more. And like this, we are done. So it's time to wrap our shawarma. And this is my bread, and this is my fillings. So let me start with just one wrapper first. Take a good quantity of the filling and place it at that end of the bread. And then wrap it over like this and roll it. Add some butter so that this place can seal. And like this, our shawarma bread is getting ready. So I will set this aside and continue with the wrappings. For this, I'll be using 2 wrapping sheets or 2 shawarma bread. Now we fold it over again gently because we're using 2. The essence of this is for it to seal so that it doesn't open up. You see? Repeat until your bread is finished. Once you are done, place a pan on the heat and then heat up that end where it's sealed so that everything will cook. Once you are certain that the other side is cooked, then turn it over so that this other side can be heated too. It kind of balances the shawarma. It makes everything hot and enjoyable. Allow this for some time, cook on a low heat. And like this, our shawarma bread is ready. Can you see what we've got? Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.